Well, yesterday was an interesting day on board Sea Time. First, I wanted to vacuum the engine compartment to be able to paint, but then I found out that the differential 30 milliamps, 16 amps switch was broken and no more working. It was in bad shape. So I brought one from home that's a bit heavier in power. However, I fixed it quickly into the electric dashboard, and so it worked. So I could get back some electricity on board. So the next step is to replace what I've done temporarily with a brand new one that I'm going to receive and order, and I'm going to receive soon. And then I move to the second project ongoing, that is the plumbing. So I got almost all the well water system plumbing, pipes, the connections, the connectors. So everything is okay. And that's when I found out, starting to move on, I found out that there was some water in the bilge because 2 days ago I filled up both the port and the starboard side water tanks, that is 2 times 300 liters, and as I suspected earlier, there are some leaks. More to come.